Hi folks, it's Scratchcards Firework Guyfawkes game. Yeah, we're going to do a Guyfawkes game. We're going to do it. And as you see, it's fireworks away. Yes it is. Here's Bessie Bunter. Here's Bessie Bunter with her bonfire. Yeah, who else is there? Let's have a look. Oh look, penny for the guy. Anyone got a penny for the guy? We'll do the scratch cards in a moment, but it's Guyfawkes at the moment. Oh look, there's Corky the cat. He's having a good old time with his fireworks. Yes, yes, yes. It's going with a bang. Yeah, yeah, yeah. He got blown up, but by the looks of it, he's got blown up on the telegraph wires. But it's all going on and you can see it and they're all happy. And what else? Oh look, Biffo the bear, he's even got fireworks. Oh, look at him go. Dear, oh dear. Yes, it sure is a banger. And even the little children are lighting their fireworks. Oh well, that's it, on with the game. Here we have a nice look. We don't waste our money on fireworks, we waste our money on scratch cards. Whatever, if you went out and bought 40 or 50 pounds of fireworks, once you've lit them, they're gone. You watch them go bang, crackling and all that, and they're gone. The same with these. You buy these, and if they don't lose, they're gone. But if you get a win, you get some of your money back, don't we, pig? We're hoping to get some of it, aren't we? Maybe not, though. But some. Okay, here comes Mr. Firework Night. Let's start with one of these ones that I don't see the win on. Lucky Stars. Let's see if we can go off with a bang on these for once. They don't seem to be my cup of tea, but they can win. Here we go. Three of a kind. If you're going to win, it's going to be something like a low one, so that's a chance. But whether no, that's how you got to get it. You got to get a wad or coins, maybe hats. Had a chance. Wad again, and a finger bob, and a wad, and a finger bob. 7 bag. What are they? Oh, bag. You won't get a bag 200. Be lucky to get that hat, a hoover, a coin, flower. No. Oh, hold on. Just in case. Finger bob, and 2 of each. Bag, a hat, and no. And how about the bonus? A stack. No, so we don't go off with a bang with that one. Now, what else we got here? And then we've got a load of mixtures here. Let's have a look at this. We've got some here. Let's have one or two of these. This is Guyfawkes. I won't let you. Those comics you just saw with Guyfawkes covers, they don't let them have them sort of things now because it encourages kids to get fireworks. But in the days gone by, you could buy them and they made comics and made it look like good and fun. Now it's got to be all over parks. Okay, let's have a look. No ring. £5, 200, 5,000, £1, £5. Oh, we've got £5. I want 10. £5. It's better than nothing because that might be all we're going to get. But, you know, this is the way it goes. Let's have a go of Mr. Winter Wonder Lines. Let's hope we can crack it. Skate and gold. Did you skate there? Gold there. No skate, no gold down here. A wad and a jumper. Looks like they're down here. Jumper's down here. Wad's down here. Don't think there's anything up there. No. Okay. A ring and an igloo. Igloo there. A ring there. No igloo. A ring. Okay. This is a robin and a hat. Robin's down here. And a hat is also down here. And so we've got none up there. No. A mountain and a present. Mountains down here as well, and the presents down here as well. So we do need some things. We could do with something, but we might not get it. A scarf and a plane. Plane. Scarf there. A coin and a star. It will come up in there. Because it's already down here to win. It'll come up here. A coin and a star. And all up in there. And a star or coin in there. A wallet and a glove or mitten. And a wallet. No. Last two. Ollie. No. And the last one is a sledge. They know where to put them. They know where to put them. Dilly-dum. Okay, let's have a look at what's here. Oh, we've got some of these in the parcel. We're buying these instead of fireworks, which is more fun for me anyway. Or for everyone. Coin. Gold. Coin. Gold, coin. Could get a coin here, could get a coin here. So, what's this? We don't want more than that. No, it's got to be gold in it. Yeah. There we are. Look good at the moment, but wasn't very good. So have another butcher's, a coin. You right there, pig? Coin, gold, coin, gold, coin. So we can get a coin there or gold there. So what's this? Gold. What's this? Gold. Can't get it because can't get 2 wins. It's going to be a coin. Can't get 2 wins on that one. Dear. What's it? Oh well. We'll have one of these. Let's have a butcher's at Christmas countdown. Turkey, candle, and what's that? Carols and a cracker. Stick, reindeer, a jumper. 25th, snowflake, and an angel. Pudding, and a boot. What we got here? 25th and 15. 23rd, 11, 18, and 24th. No, it's out of sync. Out of the sink into the flying board. So another one of these. Coin, and a gold, coin. Get a coin there, but we need 2 golds there, then you know you're going to win. Gold. Yeah, you're going to win. Coin would be win there, gold would be win there. Whichever it is, it don't matter. It's going to win, and it's a ×1, and it's a what? I thought it was a pound. It's a tenner. Yeah, look, I've got it there, and a tenner. Oh well. That's a surprise. God, £10. I mean, it's not bad. It looks good, doesn't it, when you see a tenner on a pound card? I mean, look, you know. Oh well. Right, here we go. One of these lovely cards. All shoe and a finger bob. Clover, coin, and over. At, a stack, at, and a stack. And a stack. I mean, a wad, this and that. No, it's hard to win on these, don't you? You do get wins. I'm not saying you don't, but wow, yeah. I mean, you got to buy to get a win. Coin, thing, and thing. Bag. No. And anything on the bonus? No, got to get your fingers, ain't you? No, ain't no good. No. Right, you are. Snow me the money. No, coins. 5,000, 200, 20, 10, 40, 5,000, 110. No, 5,110 pounds. Well, this won't win because we just got a 10 on it, but we might as well try. Might throw in a pound, but I doubt it. Hard enough to win when it don't win a tenner. 2 golds and a coin and a gold and a coin. No, could get gold there. No, you can't. Look, 2 wins. You won't win on a gold there. These got to be 3 coins in a fountain. It is as well, because gold wouldn't come there. It's got to be. How marvellous. Oh, well. ×1, It's a pound, but it's another win. Oh, well, we're collaring little bits back. What we got here? Oh, we ain't had one of these yet. Let's have a go. Fingers and a pig. No. Chestnut. Wood and a wallet. Cash and star. Wallet and a cloud. Pig and a thing. Vault and a chest and a thing. And a camera. Bloody camera. Who wants to take pictures on a time like this? Right. Coins, no. £1, 40. £1. Oh, there's a little chance of a pound, maybe. 20, 40, 10, 5. £1. We did get that £1. At least we got £1 there. Oh right. Let's have a look at Christmas, Mr. Christmas. Right, snowman, cane, angel, turkey, star, candle, reindeer, sock, Father Christmas, 25th, shirt and a snowflake. No, what about you? 11 and 25, 16, 12, 17 and 24. No luck on them. Back to Mr. Snow Me the Money Cush. Oh, we got a pound note or whatever it is, yeah. 100, 40, 20, 200, 500, 5,000, 200, 5,000, 1. Okay, what is it, a pound? Yes, but it's more money back. We don't mind as long as it's something. Okay, last one of these as well. Ain't one on this yet, we only had 2. So that's a pig and a star, a vault and a cash, cloud and a thing, a wood and a diamond and a camera, chest and a fingers and a gold and a, no. And here we've got a coin. No, that's no good. No, okay, we've got 2 of these left. 2, and they run on 007, James Bond, and 008. Mr. Bond, we'll do you first. Will any of them win? One of them would be nice to win. Just one of them a 5 even. Because we ain't done too bad. Okay. Here we go. Off you go. You alright, pig? Good. You are quiet. Card. Star. We want a card. Snowman. And a hat. Right. Now, your weight. 15 mine. 20 theirs. 24, 26. 14's 27. 27, 28. Down here. Add up to 10. 3 and 2, no. 4 and 5, no. 1 and 6, no. And 7 and 6, no. Right, fingers. Plain. Pudding. Champagne and Mr. Christmas. No. And it's all down to where if we can finish on a high note of a little win. Whatever we win. Is there a win on this? Or would it have been the next card? Star. Here's a wreath, a cane and a hat. So not there. Your weight. Now this is 14, 16 years, 20, 22, 12. That's low, isn't it? 12, 21, 17, 26. Right, we're down here. Go up to 10. 3 and 9, no. 4 and 1, no. 5 and 7, no. 5 and 9, no. And now fingers. Gold, coins, no. Oh look, right on the end. We had that the other day. The last squash. Oh pig, we got a win right at the very, very end. Last one, I played a 5, but this is all, still a win. Oh dear, I did say I did think I'm going to get a win on the very last card. Oh dear. Right, we started with £35 worth. Whoops, I won't knock the thing again. £35 worth. So it's a struggle, but there always is, always going to be. So what do we get? Well, we got £35 and we got here £1 there, £5 there. So that's 5, 6, and what do we get on that? 7, another pound. 7. What do we get on that? 8. That below, hold on. There you are. That's 8, and then we've got 10 on that at the bottom. So that's 18. And then we got 5 on that. 5. 18, 23. So 23. that ain't bad. That ain't bad. Piggy got a shout out. I mean, it ain't bad. We didn't know it was going to be all them. But luckily, they're mainly all pound ones, aren't they? And 1.5. The 2s didn't do us any good at all. Piggy got a shout out. Craig Scratchcards. Yeah, competition. Yeah. Craig Scratchcards. Got him. Craig Scratchcards. Yeah, you happy with that? You're going to go over and see them? No, what? I think everyone should go over and have a look at his thingy, didn't you? Yeah. All right. And what else can we do now? Right, well, we want to say ta-ra, don't we? And don't forget. All right. And that's it really, except for us to say bye. And George, you take over. Oh yeah. Say ta-ra, pig.
People used to call me nobody's baby.
Yes, they did.
Until I met you.
Firework night is over.
Nobody's baby. I was feeling so blue when you came along. My life was a song. I thought that my lonely would end. Then you went away. Left me to stay, and I'm nobody's baby again. Oh, nobody's baby again. I keep on missing you more and more. Nobody's baby again. You're the one I've been living for. People used to call me nobody's baby. Till they saw me with you, or walking in the day, hoping that maybe all my dreams would come true. I planned every move and I tried out the groove that even the music can win. I don't have the knack, my lonely is back, and I'm nobody's baby again. Nobody's baby again. I keep on missing you more and more. Nobody's baby again. You're the one I've been living for. I planned every move and I tried out to prove that even the loser can win. I don't have a net. My lonely is back, and I'm nobody's baby again. Nobody's baby, nobody's baby, nobody's baby, yeah. Let's go, pig. Oh. Mr. Monopoly.